Hey everybody, so I switched over to Windows. Just I was having issues with the G++, and I just didn't feel like messing with that at the time. So basically, I have CodeBlocks set up on Windows, since I figure most of you will be using Windows anyway, with the Ming W compiler, MINGW compiler. Um, so if you haven't gotten that one yet, I suggest getting that one. Um, no no real difference. I mean that I've noticed. Nothing too noticeable anyway. But grab that and let's get started. So we're gonna create empty project. Project title. Let's see. Project. How about that? And let's just find a place for it. I'm just going to make folder called CodeBlocks and my documents, and hit OK. And I'll hit next, next. Okay, so we're good to go. Now we're good to go. So I'm going to hit this little button right here and add a new file. It's gonna be a C++ source file. Blah blah C++. Both of those, and we're gonna call it main.cpp, and we actually have to do that. Hit the little thing there and save it right where it needs to be. Okay, so we were going over the includes and all that stuff, so let's just include iostream. And let me, before I forget, make this font way bigger because it's just too small by default. Okay, much better. So include iostream, and then we're going to use namespace, or using namespace std, and int main return 0. Okay, so if you don't know where we're at, it's because you didn't watch the last one. I know the quality is not as good, but basically this is where we're at. This is our preprocessor directive or something like that, and yeah, basically just saying include the iostream library, and using namespace standard is what it really means. Is so let's say we wanted to use something in the scope of the standard library of C++, we would have to type std : before every type of standard function. So if we wanted to do something like that, we could do std : cout less than parentheses, or quotes, I mean. Yeah. Hello world, and semicolon at the end of each line. But since we have the thing on line 3 using namespace std, we don't need this thing on line 7, so we can just leave that there, save, and let's run. So yes. Oh, well, I forgot something really basic. You have to put less than and then a greater than sign and then iostream. So that was what was wrong there. Now if we do it, it will say hello world, and we can just press any key to continue. I don't know if you guys actually saw that, but yeah, there it is. I can't remember if it was in the view or not, but yeah, that's basically that. So I'm gonna leave it there for that tutorial, but next time we're gonna be going over variables, and we'll get a little more done than just 4 minutes of just hello world. Alright, see you guys next time.